So, if you want to take a screenshot of Snapchat's history without its knowledge, Snapchat itself has a great trick. Let's look at it with a practical example. Open the Snapchat app and navigate to the desired person's story. For example, let's take a random profile. Tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Sometimes you will see a remix button here. If you see a remix button, click on it to go to a unique page. Let's assume that in this demonstration the remix button is not visible. In that case, send yourself a Snapchat from another account. Open the Receive Snapchat and click on the Remix Snap button if it appears. This will take you to a specific page. On that page, position yourself or your camera outside the frame. Take a picture of the snap, making sure you are outside the frame. Look for a save button on the screen. If there isn't one, some users report successfully exiting the Snapchat app by holding down the Snapchat button and taking a screenshot. This method essentially enables you to discreetly capture a screenshot. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and, more importantly, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate each one of you. Catch you in the next video.